In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install MetaTrader 5 on your Windows laptop. MetaTrader 5 is a powerful trading platform used by millions around the world, so let's get started and get you set up. First off, we're going to head over to the official website, metatrader5.com. This is a crucial first step to ensure that you're downloading the platform from a reliable source, keeping your device secure. Once you're on the website, you'll see options for different operating systems. Since we're focusing on installing MetaTrader 5 on a Windows laptop, go ahead and select the Windows version. This ensures compatibility and smooth installation. Now, once you've selected the Windows version, the download should start automatically, but if it doesn't, there will usually be a link that you can click to begin the download manually. The downloading process might take a few moments, so use this time to locate where downloaded files are typically saved on your computer. It could be your Downloads folder or any other location you've set as a default for saving new files. Once the download is finished, navigate to that folder and locate the file you just downloaded. It's usually named something easily identifiable, like MT5 Setup. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. At this point, especially on Windows, you might see a prompt pop up on your screen. This is the system asking if you want to allow the program to make changes to your computer. Basically, it's a security measure to make sure you're aware of any modifications being done. Go ahead and click Yes to proceed. The installer will now open up, ready to guide you through the process. You'll be greeted with the End User Agreement, a standard legal document that outlines the terms of use for the software. While many people tend to skip reading these, skimming through might be worth your while to understand any restrictions or obligations you might have. Once you're through with that, click Next. This action confirms that you've read the agreement, and the installation process will begin. During the installation, MetaTrader 5 will set up the necessary files and folders on your computer. Depending on your system's performance, this might happen quickly or take a bit longer, so be patient. Once the installation completes, you'll typically find a shortcut to MetaTrader 5 on your desktop, making it convenient for you to launch the program in the future. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now you're ready to dive into the world of trading with MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, having the software set up correctly is your first step toward success. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.